of ensuring stable societies and the guarantee for the well-being of present and future generation. Conservation is act of protecting Earth natural resources for current and future generations. Earth has provided basic necessaries to live like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, foods, etc. So, we keep our nature healthy and clean. Thank you.